हाय गाइस, मैं अंकुल कुमार यादव आप सभी को मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोग्रेस माई लाइफ में आप सभी को स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम आप सभी को बता रहे हैं कि फार्माकोग्नोसी का कुछ क्वेश्चन टेस्ट ले रहे हैं। इसका क्या रिस्पांस आता है वो हम आपको इस वीडियो के लास्ट में बताएंगे। कैसा है, अच्छा है, कैसा गया, फिर उसका क्या प्लानिंग स्ट्रेटजी आगे बनाएंगे वो सब बताएंगे। हम ये लेट न करते हुए अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो फार्माकोग्नोसी किसे कहते हैं? द फार्माकोग्नोसी इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विथ द स्टडीज ऑफ क्रूड ड्रग्स फ्रॉम नेचुरल सोर्सेज लाइक प्लांट्स, एनिमल, मिनरल्स किंगडम और टू एक्वायर द नॉलेज और साइंस ऑफ ड्रग। The word pharmacognosy is derived from two Greek words. Pharmakon means drug, gnosis, Gnosis, gnosis means knowledge, drug, natural या synthetics, natural, nature, synthetics, chemical, synthetics की स्पेलिंग SYNTHETICS, synthetics। तब आ गया द टर्म फार्माकोग्नोसी इन इटली नोन एज मटेरिया मेडिका, इन इटली ब्रैकेट में इन इटली नोन एज मटेरिया मेडिका कोस्ट बंद was introduced by C.S. Siedler, a medical student in Halle, Germany in 1815. He wrote his doctoral thesis titled Analytica Pharmacognostica। तब हम अब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। Father of pharmacognosy, Diocritus, known as father of pharmacognosy, father of Indian pharmacognosy, Professor Mahadev Lal Sraf, pharmacognosy, Dr. Chandrakant Kokate। तब आ गया हिप्पोक्रेट्स, यूनिवर्सली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न मेडिसिन। Sushruta is the father of surgery. Galen, the first Greek pharmacist who described the method of preparing drugs from vegetables and animal origin, and also gave many formulas. Scope of pharmacognosy. The scope of pharmacognosy का आएगा isolation of phytochemical, biosynthetic pathways investigation, preparation of herbal formulations, drugs of direct therapeutic uses, formation of novel medicine. The isolation of phytochemicals. Certain phytochemicals are derived from the plant, such as glycosides or digitalis leaves, alkaloids from the plants belladonna और राउल्फिया। तो दूसरा आ गया बायोसिंथेटिक पाथवेज इन्वेस्टिगेशन। द फार्माकोग्नोसी हेल्प्स in the investigation of biosynthetic pathways of primary and secondary metabolites, the preparation of herbal formulations. The pharmacognosy helps in the formation of certain herbal formulations like churans, leha, restus, etc. तब है ड्रग्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट थेराप्यूटिक यूजेज, फॉर एग्जांपल इंक्लूड्स स्टेरॉयड, एंटीबायोटिक, विनक्रास्टिन, etc. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नोवेल मेडिसिन। The formation of new drugs is totally dependent on the pharmacognosy। तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन में आ गया ड्रग इवोल्यूशन किसे कहते हैं। हाँ, ये भी पूछ देता है ड्रग इवोल्यूशन। तो ड्रग इवोल्यूशन इज अ कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स आइडेंटिटी, प्योरिटी एंड क्वालिटी। Drug evolution establishes a drug's identity as well as its quality and purity. The biochemical variation in the drugs, the effect of handling and storing the drug, and adulterations Maybe adulterations and substitutions are the main causes for the requirement for evolution of crude pharmaceuticals. The method of drug evolution. There are various method of drug evolution. Number one, organoleptic evolution. Number two, microscopic evolution. Number three, physical evolution. Number four, chemical evolution. Number five, biological evolution. The drug, the organoleptic evolution, using the sense organs to evaluate medication, is known as organoleptic evolution. It allows to analytical techniques such as color, smell, taste, size, from and unique traits like touch and texture. Organoleptic characters. It includes an examination of the visual appearance. The identity of the drug is the identity of the drug is present in which is possession identity. The identity of the drug is possible when the drug is present in their entire form or entire parts of the plants, like leaves, roots, fruits, flowers, seeds, rhizomes, etc. तो दूसरा आ गया माइक्रोस्कोपिक एवोल्यूशन. दिस मेथड अलाउज अ मोर डिटेल्ड एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. It can be used to identify organized drugs in their morphological, in their non-histological characters. Before examination, the material is prepared. This can be done by powdering or cutting thin section of the drug is prepared. It on slide. The Palisade ratio. It represents the average number of Palisade cells beneath one epidermal cells. It is determined from powdered drugs. तब उसको फिर डायग्राम बना देंगे. स्टोमा, ओपन स्टोमा में CO2, क्लोज स्टोमा में O2 और H2O. तब है स्टोमाटा. देयर आर मिनट ओपनिंग्स इन द लीव्स विच विल हेल्प्स इन द गैसियस एक्सचेंज ऑफ द प्लांट्स. तब स्टोमाटल इंडेक्स. It is percentage proportion of the number of stomata to the number of epidermal cell. It varies according to the age of leaf. The age of leaf. The age of leaf. तब SI बराबर S बट्टा E प्लस S इंटू 100. वेयर SI बराबर स्टोमाटल इंडेक्स. S बराबर नंबर ऑफ स्टोमाटा पर यूनिट एरिया. E बराबर नंबर ऑफ एपिडर्मल सेल इन द सेम यूनिट एरिया. Physical evolution contents such as elasticity in fibers, viscosity of drugs containing gums, melting, boiling, and water contents are some important parameters used in drug evolution of drug. The chemical evolution determinants determination the active constituents by the chemical constituents in a drug by chemical test is referred as chemical evolution. Biological evolution, the plant or extract can be evaluated by various biological methods. Determinant pharmacological activity, potency and toxicity, etc. ड्रग तो क्रूड ड्रग्स किसे कहते हैं, कितने प्रकार के होते हैं ये? तो the crude drugs may be derived from natural sources like plants, animal minerals, and microorganisms. etc. Due to their wide distribution, the arrangement of classification in a definite sequence is necessary to understand easily. Classification of drugs: alphabetical classification, taxonomical classification, morphological classification, pharmacological classification, chemical classification, chemotaxonomical classification. तो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, तब इसमें आ जाएगा the crude drugs are arranged to the alphabetical order arranged according to the alphabetical order by their English or Latin names. Some of the pharmacopoeias and reference books which classify the drugs according to this system are Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, United States Pharmacopoeia, International Pharmacopoeia और एक्स्ट्रा फार्माकोपिया। तब इसमें हो गया। तब एडवांटेज, इट इज़ अ सिंपल मेथड इन दिस सिस्टम, लोकेशन ट्रेसिंग ऑफ ड्रग्स इज वेरी इजी, नो कन्फ्यूजन एज एंट्रीज कैन नॉट अपीयर रिपीटिवली। डिसएडवांटेज, scientific nature of drugs is not revealed by this system. Original sources of drugs is not also clear. This system does not show which entries are new and which are old. For example, agar, benzoin, cinchona, digitalis, ergot, fennel, ginger, quinoa, linseed, mustard, nutmeg, etc. The taxonomical classification. In this classification, the drugs are classified according to taxonomical studies. The drugs are arranged according to the phylum, order, family, genus, species in their origin. It is a kind of botanical classification and those drugs which are obtained from the plant source. A plant classification: phylum, order, family, genus, species, kingdom, etc. The advantage, it is an easy classification of drugs. Disadvantage, scientific nature of drugs. This system is a failure in recognize of the nature of drugs in their morphological studies. तब है दूसरा आ जाएगा, इट डज नॉट प्रोवाइड relevant information about the chemical nature of the drug. They do not provide information about the medicinal uses of the plants. Medicinal uses of the plants of the drug, of the medicinal uses of the drug. The morphological classification, In this classification, the drugs are arranged according to the parts of the plants from which they are obtained, and they are classified into organized cellular drugs and unorganized cellular drugs. Organized drugs, it includes those drugs which are obtained from direct parts of the plants and are divided into leaves, root, fruit, flowers, seeds, hairs, rhizomes, etc. Parts of the plants, drug, leaves, dhatura or distalis, fruits, coriander or fennel, wood, sandalwood, the rhizomes, turmeric or ginger, roots, राहुल उल्फिया, तब आ गया रूट्स हो गया, तब रूट हो जाएगा, राइजोम्स हो जाएगा, जिंजर सीड हो गया, तब आ जाएगा अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड ड्रग्स. इट इंक्लूड्स दोज ड्रग्स विच आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स, mineral sources, and they are divided into dried latex, dried juice, dried extract, gums, resin, waxes, and volatile oils, the animals, plants, and minerals, drug, dried latex, afame, dried juice, aloe या quinoa, dried extract, acacia, gums, dried extract, agar, gums, acacia, volatile oils, clove या coriander, fixed oils या fats, castor या cottonseed, animal products, gelatin या liver oil. Advantage: it is more convenient for practical studies. It is very useful to identifying the adulterant used. Disadvantage: it does not give an idea about chemical constituents and uses. Sometimes it is very difficult the classified द प्रोडक्ट. तब तीसरा हो गया. चौथा है फार्माकोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन. इन दिस क्लासिफिकेशन द ड्रग्स आर obtained from different parts of the plants, and also having different chemical constituents, but they have similar pharmacological actions, are grouped together. Also, drugs differ in mechanism of action, but the same pharmacological action are grouped together. Here the drugs are classified in which their therapeutic uses actions. In this, their therapeutics actions: carminatives, clovia, coriander, emetics, ipecac, ipecac, legislatives, agar या राउल उल्फ या purgative, castor oil, antihypertensive, राउल उल्फ या. Advantage: the benefit of this classification is that we get to know about the medicinal uses of the plants. Disadvantage: The chemical nature of the drug is still unknown. The different drugs categorized in single category due to their therapeutic effect. The chemical classification. In this classification, the drugs are classified according to chemical nature of the drug, chemical constituents, drug, alkaloid, dhatura or vinca, tennis, asoka or myrobalan, volatile oils, clovia, coriander, lipids, castor or beeswax, the carbohydrates and its derived product, agar, cassia, honey, resin, benzoin, तब है vitamins and hormones, the yeast and shark liver oil, the advantage, the benefit of this classification, the benefit of this classification is that we get to know about the chemical constituents of the drug. दूसरा है and also it is useful it is helpful in knowing the medicinal uses of the drug. Disadvantage, different drugs origin are grouped under same categories in similar chemical constituents. दूसरा है there are no proper placement containing two or more chemical constituents. तब है छठा chemotaxonomical classification. The chemotaxonomical classification. In this classification, the drugs are obtained from chemical nature of both as well as taxonomical studies of the drug. Example, volatile oils for example, volatile oils occurs for members of Amla Ferrari. तब आ गया हो गया ड्रग्स. तब चौथा में आ गया एडल्ट्रेशंस किसे कहते हैं. तो एडल्ट्रेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग द ओरिजिनल क्रूड ड्रग्स पार्टियरली और होली विथ सिमिलर फार्माकोलॉजिकल पार्टियरली और होली the similar looking substance that about the therapeutic actions. ये भूला है थोड़ा. Adulterant is one. The adulterant, it is which material is added in anything to the drug is adulterated. Types of adulteration: non-intentional adulteration, intentional adulteration. Non-intentional adulterations may be due to the following reason. Number one, confusion in the names of local dialects, indigenous medical system. दूसरा है लैक ऑफ नॉलेज. तीसरा है मॉर्फोलॉजिकल सिमिलरिटी. चौथा है केयरलेसली कलेक्शन। पाँचवा है द पाँचवा भूलल है, ऑथेंटिक प्लांट भूलल है भाई। इंटेंशनल एडल्ट्रेशन में बी ड्यू टू द फ्लोइंग रीजन। नंबर 1 एडल्ट्रेशन बाय आर्टिफिशियली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सब्सटेंस। दूसरा है सब्स्टिट्यूशन बाय इन्फीरियर कमर्शियल वैरायटीज। तीसरा है सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूजिंग एक्सहाउस्टेड ड्रग्स। पाँचवा है सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ द सुपरफिशियल वैरायटीज सब्सटेंस। तब है एडिशन बाय द अदर वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स। एडल्ट्रेशन बाय अदर वेजिटेटिव पार्ट्स। तब एडिशन ऑफ द टॉक्सिक या हार्मफुल मटेरियल्स। द नंबर 1 है एडल्ट्रेशन बाय आर्टिफिशियली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सब्सटेंस। द ओरिजिनल ड्रग्स by the adulteration by artificially manufacturing material. The material are prepared फिर वो लास्ट में लास्ट लटक गया दोस्त। नो प्रॉब्लम भाई। फिर हम अति देखते फार्मास्यूटिक्स के देखते हैं कहाँ तक याद है। तो फार्मास्यूटिक्स के देखते हैं कहाँ तक याद है। तो द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द प्रोफेशन फार्मेसी। The word pharmacy is derived from pharmacon means drug या medicine. Various programs are offered in the pharmacy field like B Pharma, D Pharma, M Pharma, MS Pharma, etc. The father of pharmacy, William Procter Jr. He is an American pharmacist. Father of Indian pharmacy, Professor Mahadev Lal Sraf. Pharmacy Council of India (PCI) headquarter is New Delhi and established in 1948. The history of the education pharmacy in India. The first college in India, Madras Medical College, was established in 1835, where the professional for testing medical the professionals for testing for adulteration substitution. Establish where professional drugs are treatment patients. Drug was given to students from 1870. The first pharmacy college in Asia was started in Goa, India by the Portuguese at the old Portuguese medical school known as Escola Médica de Goa, full stop. This currently this school known as the Goa College of Pharmacy. The systematic and well-defined education in pharmacy was initiated 1932 in the Banaras Hindu University in leadership of under the leadership of Professor Mahadev Lal Sraf, full stop. In 1937, BHU became the first college in India was started in 3 years B Pharma course. तब बी फार्मा कोर्स हो गया उसके बाद in 1948 the Pharmacy Act was started by PCI to regulate practice, education and profession of pharmacy. The National Pharmacy Education Day is celebrated in March 6th. In birth anniversary of the Professor Mahadev Lal Sraf. Mahadev Lal Sraf was Mahadev Lal Sraf and established in India education pharmacy. In India education pharmacy in India. तो आगे वही आ गया स्कोप ऑफ स्कोप एज अ कैरियर, स्कोप या कैरियर एज अ फार्मास्यूटिक्स एज अ फार्मेसी. तो वही में आ जाएगा मेडिकल फार्मेसी में आ जाएगा, वही में आ जाएगा फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज, मेडिकल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. तो फिर उसमें आ जाएगा एकेडमिक आ जाएगा, हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी आ जाएगा और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एब्रोड आ जाएगा, सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग आ जाएगा या कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी आ जाएगा. तब इंडस्ट्रियल pharmaceutical industries. The pharmaceutical industry offers opportunity to the pharmacist in the following fields. Number 1 production, number 2 analytical and quality control, number 3 research and development, नंबर 2 में आ जाएगा मेडिकल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. द बी फार्मा ग्रेजुएट कैन वर्क बी फार्मा ग्रेजुएट कैन वर्क with the ये छोड़ दो. द हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिकल फार्मेसी. द हॉस्पिटल फार्मासिस्ट कैन वर्क hospital pharmacy service. The service pharmacists are directly involved in the patient care The clinical pharmacist can work with the physician and other healthcare professionals to ensure that contribute to optimal patients the opportunity abroad. The the pharmacist has a golden opportunity to the abroad to the countries abroad in USA, Canada, Germany, Saudi Arabia, African countries, Britain countries, England, etc. The medical transcription, the B Pharma graduate can work with the medical practitioner to maintain the patient treatment history, the drugs to which the patient is allergic. Academic, they are teachers have various role to play teaching institutes. They can teach students, do the research and work etc. there are there is a lot of demands teaching to upcoming time ये हो गया दोस्तों। आज समाप्त करते हैं, ये वीडियो यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं। आप लोग ये वीडियो को देखने के लिए और अपना प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाने के लिए हम आपको धन्यवाद देते हैं। आप अपना सपोर्ट और प्यार बनाए रखिए और ये वीडियो को देखिए और जितना से जितना हो सके शेयर कीजिए और लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। धन्यवाद। और हम अगला स्ट्रेटजी बता रहे हैं कि आज देखिए है, ऐसा होगा तो शाम में फिर से रिटन टेस्ट लेंगे। मौसम सही रहा तो, अगर नहीं रहा तो फिर से भाई ऐसा होगा तो याद करेंगे, इसको फिर से कभी टेस्ट ले लेंगे, लेकिन लेंगे टेस्ट और इसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे और ऑब्जेक्टिव पर भी ध्यान देंगे। धन्यवाद।